It was very great for us. We got very down in a ditch about our CRM system. So when our contract was coming to an end, we looked and we obviously came across you guys, and it's been so refreshing to have people that actually want to work with us instead of a constant battle every day.
I'm Mary Jane Warwick and I am the Senior Management Assistant at Geosynthetics.
And I'm Melissa Davison and I'm the Operations Manager here at Geo. We offer construction products into the UK market. We have a team of engineers. They'll work with customers on site to build solutions that are around the sustainability credentials on site. So do they need to reinforce an embankment rather than taking a load of waste out of site? We can use our products to incorporate into the design and save them a lot of money, a lot of movement.
Everything we do is fitted into a CRM system. So all of our projects are on the CRM system, from just the team answering the phones to the quoting to the management looking at what projects are coming in, that sort of thing. So everyone has full visibility of the CRM system. We can see who's on what, who's helping with that, but it also helps in terms of if we know we've got something like tree root protection, we can get our TRP guy, the expert, to go onto that project and move it along. So it's full visibility, isn't it?
Some of the sites that we're working on, from initial concept through to design, that can be 2-3 years. So we really needed a system that can kind of incorporate all of those touch points with our customers. We've recently taken on the Mautic plugin, so just to have the ability to connect with customers at the right time in the project is invaluable to us. We're going to track our leads from our website, directly throw them into the system and allow the team to follow up on them rather than having a manual process there. And also being able to target email campaigns based on touch points, basically. So when a project hits a certain point, we can send them a mailer just to remind them of the service.
And with Mautic, we can also, instead of having to go to exhibitions or shows and stuff and having spreadsheets or people have to sign in, we can do like a link so that they can go in and put all their details on there, and then that will go straight into the CRM system, which saves so much time.
We were using a system, but it was very restrictive and it wasn't necessarily transparent. So we were looking for someone to partner with that they're going to give us honest advice on what we need. We're not
tech experts
at all. So having that voice that we can go to and ask those questions, it was really important that we had a good relationship and a good team around us to help.
We got told no so many times that when we came to you guys, to hear yourself and to hear Joe say, "Oh no, you can do that," and we were like, "Oh, what do you mean we can do that?" And it changed our way of thinking as well. Instead of us just assuming that we need to do X, Y, Z, we would come to you guys and be like, "How can we achieve this?" Mm-hmm. And you would tell us the best way to do that. And it's worked really well.
It's been really hard to break that habit of us trying to guess what we need to do, and having you guys there to support us in the best possible way to do something. That's been invaluable to.
The relationship with yourselves, everyone we spoke to, is fantastic. Like, we have a really great relationship with a lot of the team that we speak to. They're always open and honest with us, which is one of the biggest things that we ask for as a business. But at the same time, they're also helpful. The system, we have changed our way of working, but that wasn't because of the system, but it was just because of the way that we were doing things. That, you know, technology's moved on so much. We don't need to be doing things we were doing 10 years ago. We've also, with the system, we've automated so much that now our work processes are a lot easier. So if you're adding things in like the revenue lines and stuff, they can just push that straight through to our ERP system, whereas we never had that. So what we've achieved with yourselves is quite an achievement for the business, really. The systems that we had before were owned by the same person, same company, and they never ever got that integrated. So when we came to yourselves, we had a bit of a joke that if you could achieve this as, you know, something that we could never achieve, and we actually did it. So all of our quotes, as soon as they're close accepted, get pushed straight into our ERP system. We have very little issues. Most of the time is user error where they've missed something on the quote, but we have very little issues. If there is an issue, team pick it up straight away. But the integration is one of the best things. It isn't just on quotes, we have it on products.
I think the biggest thing that we've gained from it is the conversion rates. So we can see where we're doing well, whereas without the connection between the two systems, it was still a bit of a guessing game for the business on you know, what we thought would work rather than what is actually working.
It's been interesting to see as well how long a quote has been quoted to how long it gets converted. Especially with the fluctuation increase of products and things like that at the minute, we've actually reduced our quote times down to 14 days. So it's been interesting to see how quickly some quotes do turn around and how quickly others don't. Like Liz said earlier, there is a few projects that take quite a while to get through. Yeah, it's streamlined our processes, and it's, you know, our workflows are a lot better. The team understand what needs to be on a quote to help another department, and it's also integrated as a team a little bit better because they have to know what pushes it through to our ERP system and things like that. So it's even grew us together as a team internally. There's definitely a lot of benefit. Our actual chairman himself, although he's used our CRM system for years, we did quite a lot of training with him. And with you guys helping us, we've been able to show a lot more visibility. We built a dashboard so it sees all the orders that are raised today, but that's like refreshed every 10 minutes. So it's as live as it possibly can be.
We've got a really talented team. From a management perspective, it does give us more visibility to be able to react quicker to the market. The dashboards that we can build, so we can actually build the dashboards ourselves.
Which sounds really small, but it's massive for us.
But that has come with a lot of tech hours and support from Enable. But us being able to design something, and chairman or the managing director, for her to say, I want to see this, I want to have a look at this piece of data, and for us to be able to deliver that relatively quickly has been fantastic.
Yeah, we've had quite a good lot of feedback. I think one of the biggest ones was obviously the integration. It saved them. They were actually coding up orders with highlighters still and things like that. So you think how much time that has saved them.
The team are coming forward with a lot more snags, or whatever you like to call it, a lot more little bits that we can tweak. And because we have the flexibility in the system to be able to make them, they're seeing that their feedback is valid and that it's making things happen. So
it's really helpful as well because we have a sandbox with ourselves. So when we are discussing ideas and stuff, we can actually put it into the sandbox to see how that affects other things. And we've implemented a lot of change because we could test it, whereas previously it had to go on the live system. So it was hard to say, I don't know what that's going to affect. Implementation went really smoothly. It was actually a lot better than what I'd expected. We'd obviously just implemented an ERP system, and the ERP system was vast compared to what we were used to.
Proactive, open.
I've not come across anyone at Enable that isn't helpful. And what the guys have quickly learned on the help desk is sometimes we try and do quite a lot of stuff ourselves. So previous partners or other people that we work with will just tell you or do it, whereas you guys will be like, right, what do you want to achieve? And then we work through it together. So our partnership, although it's the support team is really helpful, they've actually grew us a lot as well. And there's certain things that we can now do that we would never have been able to do.
I think it really helps that we know your team individually, like we know the people behind it. There's nothing worse than being sent to a help desk and nobody, you don't have a contact to call, you don't know who you're speaking to. Because we have that connection and that relationship with your team, that has allowed us to kind of ask more questions, and it's more of a learning journey than an answer.
Definitely. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, we definitely recommend Sugar. We've commented on, LinkedIn posts and stuff like that, tagging you guys in it. It was very great for us. We got very down in a ditch about our CRM system. So when our contract was coming to an end, we looked and we obviously came across you guys, and it's been so refreshing to have people that actually want to work with us instead of a constant battle every day.